Oh my goodness. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I just put these strings on. I'm in the process of tuning them up for the first time, and I wanted to bring you along for the ride because you might be surprised at how much strings stretch when you first put them on your ukulele or your guitar or any string instrument. These are brand new, and I want to show you what to do to help break your strings in, not break your strings, break your strings in and help them stay in tune longer and get them so they hold your tuning quicker, because I know you want to get playing and nobody likes to have strings that are constantly going flat. So let's just look at what it looks like when we're tuning up, and then I'm going to give you a couple tips on how to get them in shape for playing and how you can have them stay in tune quicker, because that's what we want. All right, let's go to the overhead, and I'm tuning up right now. Hopefully you can see that. There we go. It says F sharp. Let me put this back up. Maybe it'll be easier this way. And let's get it focused. Boom. All right, so we want to get this to G. And I usually go a little over, and then I'm not going to worry about it. Right? See, it's already down to G. Let's go to C. We have to get the C string. So I'm going to tune it up, and I'm going to go a little over, like that, a few cents over. E string. We got a ways to go. Come on. Seems to be slipping. I'm hoping it'll catch. Let's go to the A string. Trying. Here we go. It really needed to tighten up. You see that, you guys? So it tuned it up, and then it's just dropping. And I'm not doing anything there. I'm just plucking the string. So what do you do to get your strings to settle? You know, we want to stretch them out so that at a certain point, they're not going to be stretching like that anymore. It's crazy. And I said, like, I just put these on so that knots down here are tightening up. The winds up here are settling in and finding the grip, you know, to hold it. And so there's a lot going on there. You saw how long it took to get this A string up there. And it's also a smaller string, so there's a lot more slipperiness in there. It's not like the G string, which is a wound string in this case because it's low G. That's really grippy. So it grabs onto that tuning peg really well. So what do you do? Well, what I like to do is actually gently grab the middle-ish of the string, around where the body meets the neck, and just pull like this, like bouncing. And you feel, I'm not trying to, you know, pull really hard, but I'm trying to pull enough so that it just stretches the string out and it gets a lot of that initial elasticity out of the string. Because it will come out naturally over time when you play, but you don't, that's not the way to do it. This'll save you a lot of retuning as your ukulele strings go flat after you put on a new set. So how long should you expect, now it's like not even at F sharp. Okay, so that's G right now. And I can already tell it's holding its pitch much better. Let's look at the C. I just want to show you something. So let's look at the C string, which is now not even a B. Let's go up. All right, it's trying. There's a C. Now, let's do the little stretchy thing. Grab onto it. I feel like this is like an introduction to a song. All right, maybe, 20 seconds of this. Now let's check it. Where is it? It's a flat B again. Well, sharp B. So we just stretched, almost a half step out of that string. And that half step is not coming back. We got rid of that, right? So we're literally kind of sharpening up, if you will, the strings by it's like pre-playing them. It's like speeding up the process that you would normally do. Sorry, the E string's still out. It's speeding up the process, all right? So that's all I have for you in this video. I gotta clip these. It needs a haircut. So then when you're done with that, when you've put your strings on, and you've tuned them up, then go ahead and trim your strings, or not. Some people like the look of a freshly placed set of strings on their ukulele or guitar. But that's up to you. Whatever you do, if you'd like more time with me and more contact with me and to connect more with other people who enjoy the ukulele and drumming and native flute and music making in general, see me over at patreon.com/Kalani. That's our Patreon support site. Hundreds of posts, of lessons, of videos, of content, notation, all kinds of stuff over there. Play along tracks, other stuff, and weekly, there's something new there every week. So if you'd like to connect with me more and do more and be able to ask me questions and get a nice response that's just for you, see me over there, join, become a patron. Do yourself the favor of supporting yourself, supporting your own musical growth, and see me over there. All right, thanks for tuning into the Ukulele Club channel. I'll see you guys soon.